excitement, nervousness, anxiety. I don't know what will be your feeling right now, but IPMAT examination is coming near. Now, my dear friends, board examinations are over. You have nothing to do other than preparation for one of the most, I would say, one of the biggest examinations probably of your life, IPMAT examination, right? Now, friends, only 40 days are left for this examination. IPMAT Indore, IPMAT Rohtak, कोई भी IPMAT की बात करो, approximately 40 days are left, right? So IPMAT Indore scheduled on 5th of May, and after 1 week, that is on 12th of May, the other examination will be there. So these 40 days which are left for your preparation, now these 40 days will make or break your career. ठीक है, तो 40 डेज में अगर प्रिपरेशन रिवीजन प्रॉपरली कर लिया, यू विल गेट एन एडमिशन इन वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट कॉलेजेस ऑफ द कंट्री, IIM रोहतक और IIM इंदौर, लाइक इन दोनों में से किसी भी एक में एडमिशन मिल जाएगा, तो आई से दैट लाइफ तो सेट हो जाएगी. बट इतना इजी नहीं है इन दोनों एग्जामिनेशंस को क्रैक करना, राइट? सो दीज 40 डेज विल बिकम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ in order to get an admission in any of these colleges, right? Now in these 40 days, I would say that अभी तक जितना भी टाइम आपने स्पेंड किया है for the preparation of IPMAT, maximum number of students must have finished their course. Course complete हो चुका होगा. Course must be on the verge of completion. Next 10 to 15 days में course आपका complete हो जाएगा, right? Thanks to JIPMAT examination जो 26th of April है, LRDI का कोर्स तो कंप्लीट हो ही चुका होगा, राइट? बट LRDI इज अगेन एन इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर फॉर IPMAT Rohtak, which has a separate section for LRDI, and IPMAT Indore as well, in which every year 5 questions, one set of 5 questions are asked in the quantitative section, wherein this particular thing is on any of the topics of logical reasoning or any of the topic of data interpretation. Right? So let's understand how to utilize these 40 days. Now, first of all, IIM Indore का जो एग्जाम होता है, वहां पे हमें पता है कि क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड एबिलिटी सेक्शन में जो MCQ होते हैं, right? So if I talk about the MCQ part, right? So out of these 30 questions, you will get 5 questions of either logical reasoning or data interpretation, right? Whatever we have seen from the previous year papers of IPMAT Indore. Okay? पैटर्न तो सबको पता ही है एग्जाम का, सो इस पे हम ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड नहीं करेंगे. एंड फॉर IPMAT Rohtak वी हैव अ सेपरेट सेक्शन which will ask you, which will have 40 questions from logical reasoning and data interpretation, right? So how to prepare for this section? This particular thing I have already covered in many sections, many sessions that I have taken, but today we are going to discuss, once we are prepared, once we have completed the syllabus, how we can utilize these next remaining 35 or 40 days so that we can make most out of whatever we have done. And जो हमने preparation किया है, उस preparation के साथ, like एक चीज होती है prepare करना, input आ चुका है, अब आपका output भी बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए, right? So whatever you have prepared, you should be able to retain it in your mind till the day of the examination and उसको अप्लाई कर सकते हो एग्जामिनेशन में, राइट? सो हाउ टू डू दैट? फाइन. नाउ हाउ टू अटेम्प्ट द एग्जामिनेशन आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन सम अदर एग्जाम, इन सम अदर सेशन, बट आज ये जो नेक्स्ट 40 डेज है, इसको 100% यूटिलाइज कैसे करें, राइट? सो द एंटायर सिलेबस इज डिवाइडेड इन 2 पार्ट्स. These are not 2 equal parts. Logical reasoning obviously is on heavier side and data interpretation is on lighter side. Okay? तो first of all heavy वाला जो portion है logical reasoning, उसकी बात करते हैं. Okay? So I have written almost every topic that comes in logical reasoning. When it comes to verbal based reasoning, I have also written all these topics. Right? Now we have approximately 35 days left. बट ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि हम रिवीजन लास्ट मोमेंट तक करते रहेंगे. ओके, सो इफ यू हैव योर एग्जामिनेशन ऑन 5th of May, सो 30th April तक आपका सब कुछ खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. एंड दिस इंक्लूड्स रिवीजन, दिस डज नॉट इंक्लूड्स सिलेबस. सिलेबस तो बहुत पहले फिनिश हो जाना चाहिए, राइट? I'm talking about the revision, the final revision part. So that in these last 3-4 days, 5th of May को एग्जाम है, तो लास्ट 3-4 डेज में आप थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स कर सको, आपका माइंड कूल एंड कंपोज रहे. ओके, सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर नॉट लीविंग लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फॉर दोज लास्ट 3-4 डेज. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, राइट? नाउ I don't know when you will be watching this session, आप कब ये session देख रहे होगे, but whenever you are watching this session, start applying those things what I am telling you immediately after that. Okay, so I am assuming that you are watching this session on 31st of March. ठीक है, तो 1st of April onward आपको करना क्या है ये हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. Now starting from 1st of April up till 30th April we have 30 days, right? Now since your board examinations are over, okay, you have nothing else but to prepare for this examination, right? So I would say that a student who deserves IIM Rohtak or IIM Indore must study for at least 11 to 12 hours on daily basis. Now studies में सब कुछ included है. You are like finishing your syllabus, आप basics study कर रहे हो, आप revise कर रहे हो, आप questions practice कर रहे हो, आप mock paper solve कर रहे हो या फिर उस mock paper का analysis कर रहे हो. So total number of hours that you should be devoting now in the month of April, every day it should be a minimum of 11 to 12 hours, right? ठीक है, IIM Indore जाना है. IIM Indore, it is the best college for IPMAT program. IIM Rohtak, it is one of the best colleges for IPMAT, right? So if you want to see yourself sitting in any of these colleges, so 11 to 12 hours minimum है. ये मैं बार बार repeat कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? Now out of these 11 to 12 hours, obviously we cannot devote the entire time on logical reasoning, data interpretation, right? Now logical reasoning, data interpretation, I would say the syllabus of this particular area, this particular section is less as compared to quantitative aptitude. Okay, quantitative aptitude, quantitative ability जो भी section है उसका syllabus थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, तो I would also suggest you to devote maximum time on quant, okay, but sufficient amount of time on logical reasoning. So a student who is studying for 12 hours in a day, I would say that take out 1/4 of the time. ठीक है, so 3 hours on daily basis should be taken out for logical reasoning. It includes your revision, it includes your practice, it includes everything. 3 hours are more than enough, right? Now on your screen you will count, if you'll count the number of topics, so you will see that we have somewhere around 19 or 20 topics in total, right? Now daily pick up 2 topics. Okay, now this is when I'm saying when you have completed your course, so you understand the basics of series, you understand the basics of coding, decoding, you understand the basics of analogies, statement assumptions, blood relations, Venn diagrams. Okay, right? So when you understand the basics, how much time it will take you to practice? Around 50 to 60 questions of that. Okay, so 50-60 questions practice करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? It will not take more than 1 or 1.5 hour. So 50 questions on an average 1.5 minutes भी spend करोगे, so 1.5 hours आपको लगेगा. Okay, so now what you have to do is when you are doing a proper revision, so revision में ऐसा नहीं है कि questions को read कर लिया, जो पहले solve किए हुए questions को just you go through all those questions. No, just pick up a new set of questions and start solving those in a time bound environment. तो एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन में आपके सर पे एक घड़ी चल रही होगी, सर पे नहीं कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे होगी. सो सेम प्रेशर क्रिएट करो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग प्रैक्टिस. ओके, राइट? सो लेट्स से यू सेलेक्टेड 30 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ लॉजिकल रीजनिंग ऑफ एनी ऑफ दीज टॉपिक्स. 30 क्वेश्चन सेलेक्ट किए, सो 30 क्वेश्चंस के लिए 25 minutes or maximum 30 minutes, 1 minute per question on an average set कर लो. So 30 questions, 30 minutes. Solve all these questions the way you will be solving these questions in the actual examination. तो एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन में हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी क्या होती है, हम किसी भी क्वेश्चन पे अटकते नहीं है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखा, सॉल्व कर दिया, सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखा, सॉल्व कर दिया, थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखा, अगर नहीं हो पा रहा है सो हार्डली 20, 30, 40 सेकेंड्स में उसको छोड़ दिया, उस पे अटकना नहीं है, ठीक है। सो यू हैव टू कीप ऑन मूविंग, ओके। सो ये स्ट्रैटेजी, एग्जैक्टली ये स्ट्रैटेजी आप अप्लाई करो अब प्रैक्टिस करते वक्त, राइट। सो इफ यू थिंक दैट ये वाली स्ट्रैटेजी डायरेक्टली एग्जाम में अप्लाई करोगे तो नहीं कर पाओगे, मैं लिख के दे सकता हूं, ये नहीं कर सकते आप, राइट। सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज whatever strategy you will be applying on 5th of May or 12th of May, practice the same strategy on every day, then only you will be able to program your mind according to that strategy and will be able to apply it successfully in the examination, right guys। I've been teaching since 18 years, so ये मैं हर साल students को बोलता हूं, the students who practice this strategy like 30 days before the examination, they are able to successfully apply, this is a fact, ठीक है। so अब आपको क्या करना है, डेली 2 टॉपिक्स उठाने हैं। let's say like it's up to you, you can bundle one topic from here with one topic from here, totally up to you, ठीक है। you can bundle any of the 2 topics, okay। so around 20 topics हैं, if you'll make a bundle of 2 topics, so you will be able to finish your revision. I'll not say revision but practice, you will be able to finish your practice in the next 10 days, right? So this is your plan starting from 1st up till 10th of April, right? So first 10 days of April, pick up 2 topics on every day and practice 30 to 40 questions of that topic from any of the books or any of the material that you are referring to. Done? Okay, so 10th April tak all these topics have been taken care of, right? Now the next part, I'll come back to this, हाँ इस पे वापस आएंगे। The next part is data interpretation. Now data interpretation, जो भी topics अब आपके सामने लिखे हुए हैं, these topics are important obviously from Rohtak, IPMAT Rohtak's point of view, but also those 5 questions of IPMAT Indore as well, right? 5 questions yaar, it's a very big deal, it's a it's a make or break situation, okay। so 5 questions अगर आप easily solve कर पाते हो तो उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा, right? so interpretation, data interpretation, these areas, now you understand these basic data sets, tables क्या होती हैं, bar graphs, line charts, pie charts, right? okay, so what you can do is in these 10 days, जो आपने 1st April से 10th of April तक ये वाले 10 days हैं, right? every alternate day just give 1 hour to any of these areas, so this particular thing can be taken care of। so 1 hour के लिए data interpretation के sets solve कर लो, 1 hour के लिए basic calculation techniques practice कर लो। so 1st of April, 3rd of April, 5th of April, 7th of April, 9th of April, just keep practicing these areas on rotational basis। so why I'm saying this thing, you might be knowing all these like all the concepts related to these areas, but when you are solving some questions, 1 or 2 sets of these areas, that means you are keeping yourself in touch, you are keeping yourself in that momentum that is required for this examination, right? so alternate day pe every second day or maybe every third day, right? 1st, 4th, 7th, 10th and 13th, every third day भी आप ये चीज कर सकते हो। just pick up 2 or 3 sets of data interpretation and start solving those sets, all right? so this is how you will be able to keep all these things in your mind। so this is what you will have to do at least up till 15th of April, right? okay, now what after 15th April? 15th April के बाद आपको क्या करना है? obviously in the month of April you are writing mock papers every second or third day। mock test series तो participate कर ही रहे होगे, mock test series start हो चुकी है, right? so mock test every day करने की जरूरत नहीं है, you can write mock every third day। so 2nd of April, 5th of April, 8th of April, 11th of April, right? so इस तरीके से every third day आप mock paper लिख सकते हो। weekly 2 or 3 mocks are more than enough, right? now 15th April के बाद mock की frequency increase करनी पड़ेगी। so what after 15th of April, you will be having sectional test, ओके, सो फर्स्ट 15 डेज का तो प्रोग्राम सेट है हमारा, राइट। सो मैंने आपको थोड़ा सा बफर भी दे दिया है, 10th ऑफ अप्रैल की जगह मैंने इसको 15th कर दिया है, सो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल द टॉपिक्स ऑफ लॉजिकल रीजनिंग एंड डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन, राइट। नाउ 15th अप्रैल के बाद यू हैव टू इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, सेक्शनल टेस्ट एंड मॉक, राइट। नाउ एज फार एज लॉजिकल रीजनिंग इज कंसर्न्ड, every alternate day you will have to write one sectional test. Okay, so आजकल मटेरियल बहुत सारा है, टेस्ट सीरीज है, IPMAT वाला provides you a lot of study material online, right? So use that study material, use those sectional tests, and every alternate day, let's say you have 5 sectional tests remaining. Okay, let's say you have 10 sectional tests remaining. So you will have to attempt them every alternate day starting from 15th. So 15th April, 17th April, 19th, 21st, 23rd, till whichever date you want to take them, you can do that. But every alternate day एक sectional test जरूर practice करना है, right? Also increase the frequency of the mocks. So mocks अभी आप every third day दे रहे थे, mocks तो बहुत सारे हैं. So we also provide a lot of mock papers for JIPMAT, for IPMAT Indore, IPMAT Rohtak. हर एक के लिए आपके पास enough number of mock papers हैं, right? So 26th of April को JIPMAT examination है, तो उससे पहले आप JIPMAT के mocks दे रहे हो, right? So obviously JIPMAT के mocks कब देने चाहिए? अगर 15th April के से start करें तो 15th April, 17th April, 19th और 20th April, 23rd April, 4 or 5 mocks you can plan before 26th of April. Make sure that 1 or 2 days before the examination you are not writing any mock, any test paper. ठीक है? So 26th April JIPMAT exam है, 23rd April should be the last day when you are writing mock paper of JIPMAT. Then immediately after 26th April, you start writing the mocks of IPMAT Indore, IPMAT Rohtak. दोनों को लिख सकते हो, alternately कर सकते हो. तो 27th April को अगर IPMAT Indore का mock लिखा है, तो 29th of April को Rohtak. Then 31 तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. 1st of May you can start writing the mock of Indore. Then 3rd Rohtak and so on. Fine. So this will be your entire study plan. This should be your entire study plan for the next 30-35 days, whatever time you have left for the examination. Now, at the end, I will say only one thing, that treat these last 35 or 40 days as the only time left in your life wherein you can make your career. Guys, एक चीज अंडरस्टैंड करो, IIM इंदौर में एडमिशन हो जाता है, IIM रोहतक में एडमिशन हो जाता है, तो लाइफ सेट है आपकी. Okay, so for the next 5 years you will be doing your BBA and MBA, and once you are done with MBA you will get a wonderful package and a wonderful life ahead. All the very best for your last minute preparation. Have a nice time. Bye bye.